is the 1 pound bag, the Celtic sea salt. This is the light gray Celtic version. This is the very coarse version here. It's not the fine one. We use this for seasoning and cooking and things like that. We'll also, you could put some of this in a drink to boost up your electrolytes and things like that. It's just got a lot of benefits. We switched back from the Himalayan salt, the pink salt, to this one, and we're very happy with it. I initially started with the 1/4 pound bag of this, and we were just very happy with it, so we upgraded to the 1 pound one. Use it in pretty much all of our cooking. It's just a really great salt. It's got the Ziploc top right here, so you can open it up really easy, seal it back up. What I do with this, though, I keep it in this bamboo salt holder, so we just keep this in our kitchen when we're cooking. Just got this magnetic top right here, you just open it up. It's got the spoon right here, you just get some out of here. You could pinch it with your fingers. Just a really great way to deliver the salt when you're using it. Again, you can see the salt here. The crystals are very large, so kind of like moist a little bit when you are looking at it here. Just a really nice delivery of the coarse salt, though. Again, I have the same brand for the shaker here, so I use the fine Celtic sea salt as well for like seasoning and things like that. But for cooking, this is definitely the way you want to go. These crystals are really great. It's got the nutrition profile here on the back. 480 milligrams of sodium per 1/4 teaspoon here. And just a really great brand. So if you're looking for some Celtic sea salt, the 1 pound package is a really great option here. This whole thing is full, and this still has this much in here, so it definitely this is gonna last you for quite some time. Again, I bought the smaller package and upgraded to the bigger one because it's we're very pleased with this. Got a really great taste to it. Does a great job at seasoning, and highly recommend this one.